Previously on Alan Wake, I'm hunted by the law.
Sheriff, Wake's running. I'm giving chase.
Are you seriously telling me that Ryder just took out my deputies?
A thriller I supposedly wrote is coming true. The genre of the story seems to be shifting. It's turning into a horror story. I was told that Alice had been kidnapped, but that was a lie.
We don't have his wife. We don't know where she is.
Her purported kidnapper was eaten up by the dark presence before it attacked me.
Alan, shh, baby. It was just a nightmare.
Alice.
There you go, Alan.
Hartman. I fell.
I had to give you a sedative. Don't fight it. You went through another rough period.
What?
Oh shit, ist das
Right
nicht,
now, it's very
ist das nicht der
important that you
Psychologe?
stay calm.
Oh, fuck.
I want you to have another episode. You're a patient at my clinic. Have been for a while now. The shock of your wife's death triggered a mental illness.
No, you're lying.
You're suffering from various symptoms of undifferentiated schizophrenia.
Bastard.
It's okay, Alan. Just let go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I felt groggy. Whatever Hartman had bumped in me was making me numb. I felt like this was happening to someone else. Someone I was watching on television. I couldn't think. Couldn't focus.
Okay, willkommen zurück zu Alan Wake, zu meinem Playthrough. Das ist jetzt Episode, also Teil 15 von meinem Let's Play. Und ja, wie ihr jetzt gesehen habt, ich befinde mich gerade in der Klinik oder unter der Obhut vom Hartman, vom Psychologen, der mich jetzt gerade unterbrecht.
Better now? Feeling calm?
Yeah, I see you brought your pet gorilla with you. So sure, I'm calm. I get the message, loud and clear.
Quite right. That's the spirit. You're being very brave, Alan. I understand you're confused. I would be more concerned if you weren't suspicious of me. I don't blame you for it.
Big of you.
Now, why don't you come with me? We'll reacquaint you with my clinic and go over everything you might have forgotten. Little walk and some fresh air? Yes, it will do you good.
Wo bin ich da eigentlich? Ja, genau. Also ich befinde mich in dieser Klinik, wenn ihr es merkt, und finde es irgendwie ein bisschen
This
unangenehm.
corridor is for patients. Most of them aren't here right now. Jack took them out for a fishing trip, except for the ones who are particularly vulnerable, of course. I encourage creativity as a part of the recovery process here at Cauldron Lake Lodge. I specialize in treating artists.
Ja, das ist genau das steht da.
I
Aha,
bet you do.
für
Splendid,
Künstler.
Alan. I honestly believe we can get this thing under control if we work together. This way, Alan.
Aber was ich nicht ganz so spannend an dieser Überlegung finde, ist doch Künstler, dass die gerade ihre spezielle Vorstellungen und Kreativität müssen ausleben können und nicht irgendwie nach einem System von einem Psychologen wieder normal, in Anführungszeichen, werden.
Alan, from past
Aber
experience
lassen wir
with you,
das.
I know I need to get right into the heart of the matter as quickly as I can after an episode. So I'm just going to say this. Alice is dead.
No.
You're in a very vulnerable state until you understand and accept this. Alice drowned, and you couldn't face that. You're suffering from hallucinations, paranoid delusions.
Bla bla bla. Nein, das Krasse ist ja, dass die ganze Episode hier eigentlich bedeutet, dass nicht nur der Alan krank ist, sondern auch ich als Spieler, weil ich glaube ja nicht daran, dass der Alice gestorben ist, was das Ganze eigentlich noch viel lustiger macht. Ja, ist so. Und ich habe etwa 100'000 von denen umgebracht.
We go this way, Alan.
I wasn't ready for another shot, so I went along with it. He had to be lying. But under the influence of the drug he had given me, I had to fight not to believe his words.
Ja,
It's all in your head. You've been making it up. Apart from the tragic accident with your wife, no one has been killed. Your delusions are just a manifestation of your subconscious mind trying to protect you from the too painful truth. Unless we fight the fantasy, it will return. I know the instinct is to resist me, but think about it. Doesn't this make far more sense than the insane supernatural conspiracy you have concocted in your mind? You're a skeptic by nature, Alan. We both know this. Everything can be explained logically.
Vielleicht. Was ist mit dem Rusty? Was ist mit... Wer ist noch gewesen von denen? Was ist mit all diesen Typen, die eigentlich plötzlich darunter gekommen sind? Stücki, genau. Stücki, Rusty. Was ist das? Okay. Ja, zumindest die Aussicht ist schön, das muss man sagen. Es ist ein bisschen trostlos, weil es so eingeschlossen ist, aber das ist wahrscheinlich gerade eine schöne Metapher für das ganze komische Ding.
Very inspiring, isn't it?
Cauldron Lake spread below us. I could see Mirror Peak on the other side of the lake. I thought I could make out the spot where Diver's Isle had been when I arrived with Alice. Now there was nothing but waves.
Ja, das macht es irgendwie ein bisschen.
It seems there's a storm coming. Funny, I don't recall there being a mention of that in the weather forecast. Well, no matter. This way, follow me.
Ich freue mich schon auf den Sturm,
Alan, what
weil
I'm telling you is good news.
weil der Hartmann wahrscheinlich ein bisschen auf die
Every time you have
Welt
a
kommt.
relapse, it gets more and more difficult to resurface from the dark depths of your imagination. Not surprising, considering your profession. Imagination is what you work with. After all your nightmares, this should come as an immense relief to you. If it doesn't, why is that? Because I'm lying? Or because you don't want to admit that you're not well? It's very natural for you to think of me as your enemy. It's part of the illness.
I let him
After
talk.
all,
Hartman
I'm the one
obviously
trying
loved
to
his
bring
own
you
voice.
out of the world
His
you've
words echoed
constructed for
madly
yourself.
inside my head.
But I can't
I dug
do
my
it
nails
by
into the
myself
palms of my
now.
hands to stay
You need to
focused.
work with
Das ist
me.
genau der Punkt,
Once you
ja.
accept that, we can begin the journey towards your recovery.
Ich habe fast den Eindruck, dass du mich nicht zum Pfad zur Genesung
Come along.
kannst
Let's go
bringen.
inside. Here's the entrance to the office wing. That's for staff only. You were impressed by my trophies when you first arrived here. I do love to hunt. The great outdoors.
Ja, bist ruhig.
Man
So
versus
wahnsinnig bin ich jetzt noch
nature.
nicht.
It's wonderful stuff.
Pretty damn wonderful, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I got you. Got you
Emerson.
good. I'm a real bad dream, mister. You should be afraid of me. Don't want to run into me in the night, that's for sure.
Please, Emerson. Mr. Wake is confused enough as it is.
Yeah, you'd like me to go away so you won't be scared. But you can't just decide what kind of dream you have or when you have it.
Emerson,
Okay. Sorry. Boo.
that's Emerson. We're actually making some progress with him, I'm happy to say. He works on video
Elbow
games.
strike. Ooh,
It's
yeah.
trash, of course, but it does involve some
jump to the head.
small
Das irgendwie
creative
gefällt mir
effort,
nicht.
which makes him receptive to my
Stimmt.
therapeutic methods.
No kidding.
Ja, die muss jetzt nicht noch wissen, wer das ist. So, mach mal.
Come, Alan, this way. Now.
So, was schaust du
You
mich so
might have
dumm
noticed
an?
the
Hä?
typewriter in your room.
Gut.
You've been writing as a part of the therapy. As soon as you feel up to it, you should continue.
Denkst Ja, bla, bla, bla.
My rheumatism's killing me. There's a storm coming. Oh, what a storm.
I hope it wipes this place off the face of the earth.
And these
Aber-
two are the Anderson brothers, Odin and Thor. They had
Oh, das ist der.
should I put this?
Tor.
A heavy metal band in the 70s and 80s called Old Gods of Asgard. They even
Sehr
adopted
geil.
new first names to complete the image of Viking gods. After the band broke up, they lived on a farm
Das
nearby.
sind die zwei Typen
They
von
are, in
der Rose
advanced
und
stages
Diner.
of dementia. They're well cared for, TLC and all that. There's nothing more that can be done. I'm afraid that the rock and roll lifestyle has left its mark.
Ja, und du bist so besser als
Oh,
alle
that won't
anderen.
do. I'm so sorry to cut this short for now, Alan. The power has been acting up. I'd better go check on it. We'll continue this soon. Meanwhile, when you feel up to it, return to your room and try to write. It really is for the best. Don't you think?
I'd like to bash his head in with a hammer.
Oh, he'd love to fish out our secrets, but he has no clue. He's not crazy enough. Not crazy like us, Sonny. Yeah! Being crazy's a requirement, Sonny. Who else could understand the world when it's like this? It takes crazy to know crazy.
That's the
Das
same
ist es
thing I've
wahr.
heard in a while.
Ja, allerdings.
Say, you're all right, Tom. Hey, we like him, don't we, bro? He's got to go to the farm.
The Anderson Farm.
Haben die mir das gerade sehen gesehen?
Valhalla!
We wrote it all down, lest we forget. A crash course. All you need to know to get your head right. You need to find the message.
Here, Sonny, here's something for you. Gave me a rash, but I kept it safe from these bastards.
Ha, witzig.
My head was
Was? Was ist los?
clearing up. Or according to Hartman, I was sinking back into the fantasy. I was convinced he was lying to me about everything. Crazy or not, the Andersons made more sense.
Ja, voll.
You got any booze on you?
Ich bin nicht der Tom.
Yeah,
Jungs.
no. Sorry,
We have a
guys.
stash of the special stuff at the farm.
Ja, ja. Manuskriptseite. The Truth. Erste Seite.
Zane could feel the poems, taking form, shaping things. As he experimented, he imagined he could almost feel the power surging through the keys of the typewriter. It exhilarated him. But there was fear, too. If not for his young assistant Emil, he would have given it up. But Emil convinced him otherwise. He too had a way with words.
Emil? Das haben wir jetzt aber gar nicht. Ist das die Seite gewesen? Ja, die haben sie mir gegeben. Was hat das mit dem zu tun? Sonst ist nichts mehr. Okay, ja,
Formula, local
ja, ich bin eigentlich
ingredients,
ganz der Meinung von den
medicine,
Andersons.
clears your head right up.
Das heisst, ich gehe jetzt einfach mal zurück zu meinem Zimmer. Ah ja, Thermoskan.
Well, he's the boss.
I may need a hand here later on, Birch. The storm's bound to make you-know-who jumpy. You know how they get.
Gotcha. The doc's got me looking after Wake here, but holler if they get too rowdy.
I'll do that, Birch.
Hey,
So.
Wake, why don't you humor Dr. Hartman and give the writing a shot, huh? Typewriter's in your room.
Ja, ja, schon gut. Oh,
Something's wrong. I'm not myself. It's hard to think that there's a shadow inside my head.
was?
I can only focus on writing. Everything else is a blur. I'm trapped in this cabin. Have been for days, but it's always
Wieso?
dark outside. My editor is real. I saw her again. She's not human. It's not human. A dark
Wieso
presence is
komme ich da im
wearing the
Fernsehen? Ich
old
meine,
space. She was covered in clinging shadows. There's a hole in her chest where her heart should be.
Das ist jetzt lustig. Weil, ich meine, dass sie mich aufzeichnet, während ich im Zimmer bin und mir selber jetzt, das begreife ich jetzt noch, aber,
Those stairs, Wake.
naja.
The white glare of the blank page in front of me hurt my eyes. My hands began to shake uncontrollably.
Everybody, calm down. Put that down. Bert, I need help.
Hey, Wake, you stay here. I'm gonna go see what's up. You just keep doing what you're doing. Be cool, okay?
Ja, mache ich doch.
I didn't know what the chaos was all about, but it could be my only chance of getting out of here.
Oh, das ist noch. Der muss kommen.
Oh, afraid of the crazy brothers, are ya? Not so weak now, are we? Well, things are unraveling fast, aren't they?
Was? Oh.
Hartman kept talking, giving Barry the grand tour, clearly proud of the place. He went on and on about his hunting trophies, and Barry was impressed. But he was here on business. He raised his voice, cut through the monologue. Hey, Hartman, where's Al? Hartman stopped in mid-sentence, annoyed at the interruption. He nodded at the hulking orderly standing nearby. The man smiled and clapped a practiced hand on Barry's shoulder.
Was? So, das heisst, Barry wird eingeliefert, oder was?
It's my store. I'm taking it.
Okay. Hey.
Sinclair looked bad. That wasn't a love tale. The crazy old fart hit her hard. If she was one of Hartman's goons, she had it coming. I could get the key to the office wing from Sinclair. I had to get to Hartman's office. He had taken all my manuscript pages. That's where he'd been keeping them.
Also gehen wir doch. Ich will doch nicht da hinten sein. Was ist jetzt gewesen? So. Hartman's Office. Ist das der Hartman's Office? Ja. Oder auch nicht? Nein, ich glaube nicht.
Hartman wasn't happy. Mott could see it in his eyes. He quickly lowered his own. He had made a mess of it, and he knew it. The shame of failure was hard to bear. He hadn't expected Wake to say he needed more time, and he blurted out 2 days, less than Wake had asked for to show him who was in charge. But that wasn't part of Hartman's plan.
Whoa. Moment mal. Hartman und der
The
Mord.
markings on the tape said the sessions with his patients. I saw Alice's name on one of them. For a moment, I couldn't breathe right.
The fuck?
Now, Mrs. Wake, can you tell me about Alan's problems?
He's more and more out of control all the time. The parties, he's so angry all the time. He's getting violent.
Do you mean with you?
No, not with me. No, never. Sometimes I almost wish Alan would take a swing at me, because at least that'd lead to a conversation he couldn't just march out of. But no. Alan doesn't really sleep. And the work, well, he's not writing at all. He sits there for hours and just gets more and more frustrated. And I can't talk to him.
Yes. Tell me, Mrs. Wake. What would you say to him if he'd listen?
I don't know. I want to say, I look at you, and it's not you. Just some stranger who resembles you.
Okay, also in dem Fall ist Alice vielleicht doch nicht ganz so tot, wie der Hartman wäre, weil... Barry! Wie...
Barry? Ow! About time! Barry! Man, am I glad to see you.
We need to get to Hartman's office.
It's right next door.
You okay?
Yeah. I mean, no! The cops found me at Rose's trailer, but they didn't
These were all the pages I had on me. And more.
Ja... Shit. Poor Hartman, ey.
Alan, please. You're sliding back into the...
Tell me one more lie and I'll shoot you in the face.
Ah, well, it was worth a shot. Really, Wake, come on. Let's work together on this. You have no idea...
Hartman, shut up! Barry, get out of here. I'll catch up with you. Get a car.
Oh, Al, let's just...
Go!
Wake, listen to me. This is a mistake. Don't you see? Together we can create something absolutely wonderful.
Ja, das ist es so genau. Das ist genau das, was du willst. Scheiße, das Grinsen. Wow.
Hartman followed the fall of Alan Wake with his binoculars. When the rider hit the water, he ordered Jack to take the boat to him. The spot was easy to see in the dark, even with all the extra lights in the boat. The flare floated and kept burning even in the water. Jack turned the radio louder as the engine sputtered. The music was rough and clanking, something the Anderson brothers would no doubt have enjoyed. But Hartman chose to ignore it. Wake was finally within his reach.
Ja, spannend. Jetzt kommt irgendwie die Story endlich mal ein bisschen zusammen.
The dark presence would be on me in a moment. I had to find a way out.
Ja, sehr schnell. Da geht's nicht raus. Oh. Natürlich habe ich keine... Wow! Natürlich habe ich keine Taschenlampe, die ich benutzen kann. Oh. Shit.
I needed light to get the possessed bookshelves out of my
Au.
way.
Ja, die. Au. Ich habe noch eine Taschenlampe nicht gesehen. Auch nicht. Da gehe ich mal rauf. Ah, ja genau. Au. Und inne. Die blöden Bücher. Hey. Komm bitte, Taschenlampe. Flare. Okay, schon mal etwas. Gut, für das haben wir immer schnell Zeit.
Hartman knew he was no creator. He had no ambitions on that front. And he certainly didn't want to end up like every artist he had worked with here, damaged in ways that were hard to describe, or worse. It was enough for Hartman to maintain creative control and provide direction, to be a producer. That was what most of these people were in need of anyway. Of course, suitable subjects were few and far in between.
Okay. Oh, jetzt sind wir durch. Schnell schauen, wie da rein kann. Nein, kann ich nicht. Gut, weiter. Checkpoint. Ist das da gerade abgeflogen? Da kann ich nicht durch. Hey,